If you want to know how to screenshot in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to capture your Lucidchart diagram so you can paste it into another document, chat, presentation, or note. This is super useful when you want to share a visual fast without exporting a full file or going through extra steps. If this video helps, please hit the like button and the subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open the Lucidchart diagram that you want to capture. Make sure the part of the diagram you want to screenshot is visible on your screen. If needed, zoom in or resize the window so the diagram is easy to select clearly. The goal is to get the exact section you want before you take the screenshot. If you're using Windows, the fastest method is to press Windows key plus Shift plus S. This opens the built-in snipping tool overlay. Once it appears, your screen will dim and you'll be able to click and drag to select the area of the Lucidchart diagram you want to capture. Carefully drag around the diagram or the section you need, then release your mouse to take the screenshot. After that, the image is copied to your clipboard, so you can paste it anywhere using Ctrl plus V. For example, you can paste it into an email, a chat message, Word, Google Docs, or another design file. This is one of the quickest ways to grab a Lucidchart screenshot without saving a separate image file first. If you need to take another one, just use the shortcut again and repeat the same process. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is Command plus Shift plus 4. Once you press it, your cursor will change and you can click and drag to select the part of your Lucidchart diagram you want to capture. When you let go, the screenshot is automatically saved to your desktop. From there, you can drag it into another app or upload it wherever you need. If you only need a small section of your flowchart, wireframe, or org chart, this method is especially helpful because it lets you be very precise. You can capture just the important part instead of the whole screen, which makes the image cleaner and easier to share. A quick tip before you go: if your Lucidchart diagram is large, consider zooming to the area you need first so the screenshot looks sharp and readable. Also, make sure there are no pop-ups or extra menus covering the diagram before you capture it. That way, your screenshot comes out clean and professional. So to recap, on Windows, use Windows key plus Shift plus S and paste the captured image with Ctrl plus V. On Mac, use Command plus Shift plus 4 and your screenshot will save to the desktop. That's the simplest way to screenshot in Lucidchart and use the image anywhere you need it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.